Just starts berating you.
Money grabbers.
Starts wearing more Kanye. Free Kanye. Okay. I'm going to be down. I'm going to be in half guard today. Or knee shield. All right. Now, we're going to transition from knee shield to one position that I really like. So my partner's going to be down and forward. I'm going to reach over and get my overhook from here. All right. Now from here, I'm going to escape my leg out, and I'm going to fish my leg around the hip. Instead of bringing this leg up and around or trying to find a guard, I'm going to get to what I call handcuff position. So this is going to be the first test. So I'm going to bring my knee over his back. I'm going to post up on my hand and see if I can bring all my weight up on top of him. Again, knee shield, frame it away. I'm over the arm, post, foot out to the hip, leg around the knee. My knee is my pivot point. From here, we'll work on several things and how to take advantage of the position. But first, let's get to handcuff. The other way. And what's up? All right, hands up. Start attacking off of this. So again, I'm in my knee shield, creating my frames. This is really important to start here, right? Because this is the traditional position I want to be in knee shield, where my elbow's in, my frames are framed away so I can't cross face. My knees keeping this pressure upright, almost in a solar plex. Notice the lift I'm getting out of this. Elbows come to the inside, so if he smashes down, I have reinforcement. Now I can start looking for things, however, going around, overhooking the other side. Posting up, get my leg out, get my leg out, notice, pull forward, hip, and now, first one we're going to do is I'm just going to bring my leg back through. Drop the hips, now I'm in my triangle. Alright, so again, knee shield. I'm over here, I'm posting, so I can't cross face. Come through. I'm going to pull to get my bottom leg out. See the space I'm creating? Take it away. Post on the hand. It's very important I don't do this. Why? Smash. Deck is standing. He's going to take you to deck stand. I don't want to do that. Okay, so hands posted out. If he goes for it, plenty of barrier. Leg weaves around. And I start coming out. From here, all I'm going to do is remove the foot from the hip. Look, completely weightless. Kick in front. Pinch with my calf. Rotate the leg over. It's okay to be shallow for now. When the hip up, that's going to expose the arm. Cross, sink down. Catch the foot and pull. Make sure that when I do this, I'm not over my foot. I've actually almost broken my foot in a tournament once. Still finished in the, almost broke my foot in a tournament once because I locked in here. I was cranking down on my own foot. And look, I can get pressure. However, I'm sacrificing a whole portion of my foot for it. So if I grab, I like to grab low on the foot. I pull through and I get all the way. Yeah, see. I go all the way to my ankle. Now from here, my knee turns in. Heel goes down. Super quick finish. One more time. We're going to talk about a quick variation. Sometimes you're little like this guy. And you won't have that same opportunity for triangle, right? Like if I come in, get my position, I'm like boom, 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 kick through, and I land. And unfortunately, I landed straight this time, right? Okay, I'm going to still do the same thing. I'm going to hip up to get this to the other side, then I'm going to reach around my knees. Now from here, I'm going to extend up and squeeze my legs. TP choke. It is a triangle variation. Okay, so I'm in. Boom. Post my hand, got my foot to the hip, leg out and around. Now from here, I reach out. Kick this leg through. This time I come back. Unfortunately, I'm straight up. He's right on top of me. Hip to get across. Now when I pull down, reach around my knees. I'm going to extend my legs up and squeeze as I squeeze with my arms for the TP. So variation. If you guys are having trouble locking that up, try the TP choke from there. Hands up, 1, 2, 3. Let's redo, let's catch up, and let's go over the next one. Okay. So I'm starting at my half guard, knee shield. Lock in, I'm keeping this tight frame. I see this arm over, I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going to take that. And post out. Notice the big swim motion, so you can't grab my hand. Now I adjust. From here, I'm going to pull with my arm, with my knee. Foot's going to come out and reach the hip. My inside leg that my knee was in, that knee shield, is going to come around and come around the back. Now from there, I'm going to post up, and I should be able to balance on my partner. This is where we started. We are taking our leg out, kicking it back to the inside. If I want to finish the triangle, I pummel the head all the way through. Do you guys see how I lean them over the other way? That's easy to finish my triangle. Okay? If I land and I land straight, I'm not going to be able to pummel this through as much. Let me see if I can get it. So, I TP. Bring my hands behind my legs, extend my legs upwards. That's where I give my choke. Pull and push. All right, next one. Okay, this time I'm going to take my knee. I'm going to roll it down over his head. Arm is going to stay. I'm going to rotate through. Notice my hook. Rotate through. Right to the arm bar. So this one's going to require that balance. Okay. Over. Keep the arm. Pummel the head down. I can finish from here. Most people will roll through. As they roll through, knees go to the ceiling. Finish the arm bar. No need to even fret. Notice my leg stays behind the head the whole time. If this person gets real squirmy, you can bring leg over. If this person is someone you want to style on, leg under, leg over. But I can finish from right here. My knees are squeezed. His arm should never come down to my actual chest. If my knees are not squeezed, we got way too much motion. Knees are squeezed. I'll finish it. One more time. Sorry. Forward. Right, hands up. 1, 2, 3. Big woo. Okay, so first thing is most of you guys, when you're in this tripoded position, you guys all do this. You come forward. Okay? I'm not saying this is right or wrong. I'm saying you're easier to sweep like this. Here is where your partner needs to be, seated on their heels. Their weight is back. From here, now I can use him as a post. When his weight is forward, now it's harder for me to get up and get that post, right? So if you want to collapse your partner in, push with your legs, and look how easy I have gotten up now. Now from there, go stay in. Okay, so I'm in. Boom. Come up to the back. Post up. Come up. All right. Rotate through. Did you see how I let his arm fall through? I caught his hand. hooking the back of the head. I get my roll. I can stay right here because of the way that I've trapped you. If you're keeping this arm tight, be careful here. If I keep this arm tight the whole time, and I go to roll through, you'll notice I'm finishing it right here. You have to know the difference. If I want him to roll through, give him a little bit of space. Now we can finish. If I want to stay tight, I'm finishing more belly down than I am rolling through with the arm bar. So the choice is yours. Just know what you're giving up, right? See his elbow? Versus. Ooh, I'm so sorry. Wrong way. Yeah, there it is. Gotta be sad. All right, I'm gonna stay tight on this one, Ben. Okay, I'm gonna try and roll through. There's no rolling, is there, Mike? No. Finish. Right. All right, hands up. 1, 2, 3. Small piece. Simon. Jesus. Okay.
What bullshit was that?
Go stand up. 50 seconds, kids.
Sweet percentage. Not very good. I don't know why they call this.
It's funny for other people.
Is it? Good job with the murder. You are? No, I don't want to. If one is the question, the answer is no.
Live go over there. Let's go, kids.
I just want dress laser. Give me.
Hey, Joe.
No. Oh!
That's it.
Cha-cha. Let's go down the stairs. So we're not pushing them on the wall. Cha-cha.
That's a pass. Y'all don't know what a pass is. It's crazy. Oh, that's good. Good stuff. Howdy, boys. Pass. You got her, Will. She was fighting a little bit, I guess, but it's okay.
Oh, definitely got out.
Kids, stop, switch. Nobody. Oh, go. Sorry, go. I didn't hear the other timer go off. Nice. Pull the head down. Roll towards your back. There it is, and then extend the arm out. There it is. Pass. Did you just give him the pass? That was crazy to watch, Jess.
To take it back. It's not my fault I don't take more than one step.
It was crazy to watch, Jess.
Just do.
Kids, switch.
That was sick nasty.
Boys can be mermaids. They're mermen.
Watch your head. Oh, way to catch it. Oh. Watch the wall. Watch the wall.
I was trying to move him.
Generally, you're just holding on tight for dear life. You're probably gonna lose it or two. So even if you know what to do, I would try moving and see what happens.
Arm around your head.
I don't want to go with y'all either, so it's fine.
Watch your space, guys. Watch your space. Mike was on bottom to start. Oh, move of the day from yesterday. Oh, watch your space.
you want to be funny?
There it is, kids. Switch.
Yeah.
How about we do last time?
Yeah. Skipper? I was like, last time I was the skipper.
Oh, did he?
Front row. Nice, Sam. I would call that a pass. Oh, you're done, Victor. You're done.
Keep going. You're fine.
Let's go, kids. Come on now. Woo.
Jesus. Come on.
All right, I got 5 minutes. I'm jumping in. I waited till you guys were tired. Okay,
Cheater.
Shocker. All done.
Oh.
Yeah, Dave Sarah will do that. We'll get it. Yes.
We're toe guys over here.
Yeah.
Come on, Ben.
Oh, yeah?
Y'all pick a space and stay with it.
My state.
Which side do you want?
She'll get better for having this on. No.
On that, boys. On that, boys. Where's my PS?
Victor, are you next or what?
Eventually your legs will give out, sir. And that is when I will overtake you.
Yeah, try some stuff. Even if it's rough.
The dog.
Ja. Ja. Cha. Dogan.
Never recorded really watching back, so might as well, right?
I definitely think so. Start playing. Whenever I go like,
Yeah, I'm trying to get it to where we can have that site break for the different people. Nice regard. Not a pass. Nope, keep going. That's not a pass. It's not a sweep. That's not a sub. That's not an escape.
Oh wait, Chris. We're not done yet. Stand out.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. All right, ready?
No,
Ready, go.
you gotta hustle.
All right.
We're civilized people. We're not. We are.
Yeah, man. That's good.
No.
Hi, kids. Time.
I'm working on it.
Ooh, that sweat.
WWE shit. Kurt Angle over here.
Just the other day.
Fucking Kurt Angle over here.
I know.
Worked that one last week.
No,
Your next, Victor.
I'm not a fan.
Go for it.
I'm not a fan of a lot of things.
Oh, time to the wall. Kids to the wall. Careful, dog. You had her legs all tangled up. You think I ain't see that?
She just stood up.
Get out of here, Destiny.
We're
All right, guys, get. That's right.
not doing it
No,
yet.
no, 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 no.
I mean, I'll
That's right. Go down.
Mike's a sandbagger.
like it. The same like
Technically,
White belt.
technically, you too.
Sandbagger, no sandbag. It's the white belt.
Well, you're white with one stripe out there.
Outrageous.
Okay. Victor,
You outrage me.
the kid thing, dog. I'm sorry. No, 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 not the Perry hand, bro. In front of your brother.
Dude,
Alright.
you with me.
And then on the other side of Mike. Hey, remember your spaces. This isn't to like, oh, I'm picking on anybody. This is just based on how new you are, how much experience you have, what your technique looks like, right? And I am going to start striping and doing things like that as well. So I will figure out some other things because I at least have to have one or two.
Can't do the rash guard thing.
I don't want to do the rash guard thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, but here's the thing, right? If you guys compete and I rank you up in no gi, then you have to compete in gi at that same rank. If you have no gi experience, it's about time. It's about time to be a blue belt at gi and not know any blue belt gi stuff. So that's also true. You could just compete no gi, but I'd like to add that in. I can do that. I can stripe you guys. I can rank you guys all the way up to brown belt. So I want to be able to do that out of here instead of us doing it outside. Don't get me wrong. We have tabs. Tabs PJJ. They're probably about 7-8 minutes from here. Fantastic. We're working with them. They have a membership over there. Very good jiu-jitsu. However, I'd like to be able to do that in-house as well and grow this. So keep up your hard work.
I missed you. Sorry.
All right, next class. Shin guard gloves. Puppies, always puppies. Oh my. I have to figure out the schedule with beginner stuff and everything else. Yeah, I don't want to.
You only can wear your
And when it came to Destiny and she